Hi, I'm Huyên and I'm Team Electric.
And hi, I'm Lan and I'm Team Petrol.
Today we are discussing our argument about electric car or petrol car. So every single day, have you ever wondered about that? Well, people definitely need to drive around with electric car. I believe some people might have not believed about it. I wonder every single day, have you ever known that electric car is just like not a normal car, but electric car are actually a really good fit for our city. It could help our city going not just only going away from air pollution, but it's going to turn into a really green and fresh city. I know that some people might think it's completely, really dangerous because when you charge your car, it's gonna like bloom, explode. But sometimes you need to be careful with that. I know it's just like that, but you need to know about it. And second of all, petrol car is really hard to our city. I wish that people could let go of petrol car and turn their car into electric car. Petrol car, every day when people drive them, it causing air pollution. And when air pollution happens, elders teach children and they have problem with their breathing. When they breathe in, they got some trouble with their breathing, so they went to the hospital. So I need all people just listen and trying to changing their cars into electric car.
But petrol cars is the normal thing. Like every people they use petrol to like put in their cars or motorcycle. It's a normal thing. Like it don't have a lot of things like you have a fire burn something at the gas station or like the petrol station. But when the electric car or electric bikes, so it's gonna be a big problem because when some students they charge them and they don't know how to charge, there is gonna be a big fire. But you know that nowadays not all the people they change into electric cars or motorbike, but it costs a lot of times that teenagers they charge cars at night and they burn some of the big fire.
For my request, I'm thinking that every gas station needs to be turning into electric station so people could charge their electric car. Nowadays, a lot of people are doing this and they put hands together to saving the world, not all the world, but maybe firstly we could just save Vietnam first. Or should I say Maplewood City, Ho Chi Minh City, because here people just like sometimes they argument each other that what should they choose, what should they decide to drive, which one between petrol car and electric car, what should they choose? I know the petrol car is still good and now, but I need to like help people to understand how much like the president of VinFast has created this really powerful and great car for everyone. It's called VinFast. Every year it has a new start of it, but when VinFast start to invent it, like people are loving it because it have come with a lot of colors and it's really like beautiful too. And it's when the engine it have the power of the engine, it have no sound, and when people use it, it just runs really smoothly. And what about petrol car? It has a lot of smoke and a lot of gases that cause our city to turn to dark side.
People just buy electric cars because they are beautiful. Like you know that when the new cars and they think the cars are old or they need the cars because they have babies, you know, and they don't really a lot of care about the air pollution because not all the people will like know the rules and then they will change it. Like every people they just like going outside, see a lot of VinFast cars, it's beautiful and it's popular, so they bought it. So you know that when petrol cars is like outside, some of the people they don't have enough money because they use money for the petrol cars. So you know that they don't have any money for electric cars. But you know that everything is good. For example, like petrol cars or electric is the same meaning. You know that when the petrol cars or the electric cars, it all have good things to the world.
But finally, we come to realize that both of these cars are really great too. It's the humanity of the old people. If the people want to drive electric car, it's their own choice. It depends on the people and the community side. We can choose and control them. It's their own choice, right?
Yes.
So finally, we want to say that, well, thank you, the president of VinFast, for building this new invented car, and it have given this city a beautiful life. But except all that, well, other cars to have a great chance, like a great thing, and build a great opportunity for all people in Vietnam to drive. And goodbye.